I was browsing my testing spreadsheets and I came across a machine that I have not done any two-cycle sand or baking soda tests with yet. No, it's not that machine. It's this machine. As a reminder, this particular Featherlite does have a little custom cut foam insert that I had to jam in this wheel assembly, because without it there'd be no way at all I could actually reasonably push it on this medium pile carpet. And the initial empty bin and filter weight shall be 653.6 grams. How well do you think this dirt devil's going to do with over 100 nozzle CFM in a bagless machine? Just unbelievable. Well, I see some down in there. Let's go get the board of measurement. A little too close. Move that off. Okie dokie. Raw pickup shall be, well, not too bad. I see 656 grams. So 656 minus 653.6, and that's 2.4 out of 5 grams. There's our fraction, and you can easily see that turns into 48%. That's pretty good. Now I got to figure out how I'm going to get all that sand out of there, and that filter I'm probably going to have to bang off inside that bin. I spent a little more time with this sample trying to get it as clean as I can. Got a little more junk out of it. It is slightly dirty. It's probably about as good as I can do. All right. And the cleaned amount we get ends up being 1 point, you can't see there. Remove the glare from one of my overhead bulbs. 1.75 out of 5. And there's the fraction, so you can easily see that's 35%. Okay, so I don't think that's really that bad considering what this machine really is. There's so many other machines, especially bagless, that do notably worse. All right, now I need to get set up so we can do the baking soda test. So I need to do my best to try to clean all this stuff again. Since we're doing a baking soda test, I want that to come out as clean as possible, so I took additional care in getting little pockets of dirt out of the bin top. Yeah, and I'm able to do just a little bit lighter for this particular test. So we'll call it at 653.3 grams. Yep, got some right along there. I get the board of measurement. Make sure I got the right scale here. Okay, raw bin pickup. Hoping for a good result. And once the wobble stops, we end up with, it looks like a pretty good result, 658.2 minus 653.3. Hey, that's pretty good. 4.9 out of 10 grams, and that easily converts to 49%. Okay, now I need to see what kind of a mess I got to deal with extracting all this stuff. Yes, that's very nice. That is definitely good pickup. Yeah, we'll go with that. So no calculator really needed for that because it's out of 10 grams. So 4 grams out of 10 grams gives 40%. Dun, da, da, da. That's really good. And if you take a look at my whole house carpet cleaning results, you will see that this thing actually did very well, especially considering that it's a bagless machine. That's really fantastic results. And now it's time for a summation and a comparison. So this Dirt Devil Featherlite Bagless continues to blow me away with a far better than average 48% raw bin pickup for sand and 35% extracted bin pickup. The running averages are currently 35% and then 22% for extracted. Now on the left you see a Riccar 8850, and that's the machine that pretty much matches the Dirt Devil's performance as far as non-extracted pickup. In other words, just the entire bin versus the Riccar's just the entire bag. On the right, if you want to talk about extracted bagless pickup, you have the Dyson DC-14, and that Dirt Devil, as far as you can get sand out of it, and the same thing with the DC-14, extracting the sand, are just about the same. And all of these machines are well above average in their respective categories. Now let's move on to baking soda. With 49% raw bin pickup and 40% extracted pickup, in both these categories, this bagless Dirt Devil beats the running total averages of 44% raw and 29% extracted. So really great job. And as you can see on the left, there's a Mila Solaris, and that gets about the same bagged pickup as the Dirt Devil gets for a raw bin pickup. And on the right, the surprisingly good with fine dust Hoover Air Steerable matches the extracted bin pickup. So again, this Dirt Devil is just full of surprises. So now I got sand and baking soda I got to get out of the carpet. Which machines am I going to show you today? Got a bunch right here, of course. And yeah. Okay, we are in great shape. Now, ready for the next set of tests, whenever they may be.